In life, we usually try to be honest. We work hard and we follow our values. But sometimes, just one small greedy thought, one wrong decision, can change our whole life. Have you ever thought that one choice you make could open the door to success or close it forever? Today's story is one you need to listen to carefully, because every part of it shows how, if we don't control our thoughts, even a good person can make the wrong choice. A long time ago, there was a young man named Liam who lived in a small town. His life was full of struggle and sadness. Every day, he went out looking for work, earned a little money, came home, cooked a simple meal, and went to bed. One day, after walking around all day and still not finding any job, Liam was heading home, feeling heavy at heart. Just then, he heard someone calling behind him. "Is anyone here who can help me carry something?" Liam turned and saw an old man standing there. The man had 3 huge, heavy bags with him. "I can help," Liam said. The old man replied, "I need to go to the next village. It's a bit far. I can carry 2 bags, but the third one is too heavy. Can you carry it for me? I'll give you 3 gold coins." Liam agreed, but when he lifted the bag, he felt how heavy it was. "Wow, this is really heavy," he said. The old man calmly replied, "Yes, it's full of bronze coins." Even though it was very heavy, Liam put the bag on his shoulder and started walking with the old man. As they walked, Liam noticed the old man looking at him. He thought, maybe he's afraid I'll run away with the bag. But he reminded himself, "I'm not a thief. I would never betray anyone. I just want to work hard and earn honestly." When they reached a river, Liam didn't wait. He stepped into the water and started crossing. The old man stayed on the other side. "I'm too old," the man said. "I can't cross this river with these 2 bags. If I try, I could drown. Can you carry 1 more bag?" "Don't worry, I'll give you 3 more gold coins." Liam said yes, but as he reached for the bag, the old man stopped him. "Promise me you won't run away." Liam looked surprised. "Why would I run away?" The man said, "It's hard to trust people these days. This bag has silver coins." Liam felt annoyed. "Do I look like a thief? I don't cheat for money. Give me the bag." He lifted the second bag and crossed the river. Even the silver coins didn't make him leave his values. Then they reached a hill. Liam started climbing slowly, but the old man stayed behind. "Come on," Liam called. "Why are you still there?" "I'm too old," the man said. "I can't climb with this bag." "Then let me carry it," Liam said. The old man paused. "But this bag has gold coins. If you run away, I won't be able to catch you." Liam was frustrated now. "I told you already. I'm not that kind of person. I'm honest. I used to work at a small loan company. I kept the records. When they asked me to lie about a client's loan, I quit." The old man still seemed unsure, but finally said, "I don't know if you are telling the truth, but here, take the bag. I'll walk slowly. Go ahead and wait on the other side." Liam lifted the bag and started walking, leaving the old man behind. As he walked, a thought came to him. If I run away with all 3 bags, the old man can't catch me. I'll be rich forever. Another thought followed. He's old. He won't live long. But I'm young. If I take this money, I can get rich, marry a beautiful woman, and live a luxurious life. Tempted, Liam ran home with all 3 bags. Panting, he opened them and was shocked. There was no gold, no silver, only small stones inside. Why did the old man lie? Liam wondered. Then he saw a note. He picked it up and read, "I am the king of this land. I have no family or heir, and I am growing old. I have been searching for an honest person to adopt as my son and heir. If you had stayed honest, you would have been that person." As Liam read this, he felt deep regret. He had been honest all his life. He never wanted to cheat anyone. But one small greedy thought changed everything. If he had controlled his mind for just a moment longer, he could have been the heir to the throne. A single moment of weakness, made him lose the biggest opportunity of his life. This story shows how powerful our thoughts are. Liam was honest, but one moment of greed made him act against his values. The thought came, if I run away, the old man can't catch me. But it didn't stop there. It became, I'll get rich. I'll live a great life. I'll marry a beautiful woman. These thoughts led him down the wrong path. There's a saying, no enemy can hurt us more than our own negative thoughts. Every action starts with a thought. Thoughts become words. Words become actions. Actions become habits. Habits shape our future. If we want to avoid negative outcomes, we must watch our thoughts. Honest, positive thoughts can guide us to a better life. Thoughts are like seeds. One day, they grow into our future. So let's make sure those seeds are full of peace, honesty, and positivity. If you think this story should reach more people, like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll return with another inspiring story soon. Until then, be patient, be thankful, and keep moving forward in life.